Well, this old furnace is huge. Couldn't imagine how they stacked those big square, well, rectangle pieces of sandstone up there back in the day. That thing is up there. Not gonna go inside, but you can see there in the back where they got it bricked up, falling in. Go over here. See that big arch up there? I have no idea what's holding that up. Yeah, it's huge. What an arch. I'd imagine they carved the bottom out of the, this is in the bank. I say carved out what they could and just started stacking the rest. Big chimney. Pretty neat. Lawrence County, Ohio. Just the next county over from one I live in. And this is along State Route 93. Pretty neat. Here's a better view looking back from a distance. Those chunks of sandstone them are big. Very similar to the ones that on the old bridge I'm working at in Columbus. Probably come from the same area. There's a lot of strip mines in this area back in the day. Railroads all over the place, strip mines. Sandstone, coal. Ironton's real close. Made lots of steel. Very neat.